No. Good morning, Yolko. Good morning, beautiful lady. Today is kind of a sad day. Gloomy day. A little drizzle. Yolko's going to a new home. She's most comfortable, so I'm washing her butt before she goes. You gotta wash their bums, because everything comes out of that one hole. And if it gets stuffed up, it's not pretty. So I'm just using a warm paper towel, warm water on a paper towel, and cleaning it off. Do you remember this spot? You were here when I first brought you. Now that Yolko's going to a new house, how do you feel? Sad. Come here. What do you remember about Yolko? Do you remember when we first got her and she was this tiny and she was sitting on your head? You don't remember that? Do you remember? Whenever you come out, she follows you though, huh? Do you like that? You're gonna miss that?
I want to go there every day, really.
Yeah. So Yolko's going to a home that has other chickens, and Everest is asking if we can go there every day to check up on her.
Yeah, I want to see Yolko every day.
I know.
Because I like Yolko.
I love Yolko too.
Like, I love Yolko, I like Yolko.
Yeah.
Wait, why is my voice getting lower and lower and lower?
Probably because you're growing up.
Ay, ay, ay.
These are some of her favorite foods. Some mealworms. Chicken scratch. We were introduced via text message, and I just decided that I wanted to go see where Yolko was going to live. And when we arrived, there were chickens just running everywhere, and they had the cutest little house for their 5 chickens. Now with Yolko there's 6, and we just love seeing them run around. The spotted one is Pepper, and she is the most dominant one in the pecking order. And they did have a few quarrels, but by the end of the day, Yolko had laid them an egg. They gave us a free meal, so we're about to go eat lunch. During this whole experience, we made new friends, and we got to go eat at the Campo family's restaurant. It was so delicious. It's in Silver Lake and it's beautiful. So if you ever get the chance, please go check it out. And yeah, Yolko is now living happily ever after, and we still love her so much. We still get photos of her at least once a week.